Good day, HR and interviewing panel. My name is Kirsty Banaj and I'm from Vienna. I am applying for the position of graphic designer at your company, DC World. Graphic design sounds easy, particularly animated graphics. My career objectives include continuing creating eye-catching graphics that match the client needs and attract their customers, to superimpose multi-image and rolling video, and to reduce the size of display content to increase streaming speed while maintaining high-quality graphics. In June 2012, I graduated from the University of Southern Caribbean with a degree in graphic design. I worked for Micrographics Limited from 2012-2015 as senior graphics editor. After that position, I moved up to lead designer for Micrographics, and that is where I am currently working. Among my major skills and achievements, I obtained the Best Graduating Student at Global Technology in 2014 for GIF animation. I also worked in designing content for Olympic 2016 graphics, and this was a major achievement for me. In addition to all this, I created advertisements that are targeted specific to the audience as required by the event. So what I can bring to PC World is that I can enhance descriptions that shows web interface animation processes by using neural programming software. I can reduce overheads using contemporary technology for application communication and by minimizing duplication. I have for the last two employers ABC Inc. and XYZ Limited, reduced their internet consumption by 17% and 23% respectively by incorporating baseline protocols. So that is all for my resume. Thank you for taking the time to listen and hope that this will enlighten you and help you to make the best decision for your company.